Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set WhatsApp status on your WhatsApp. So many people know that, but many people don't know how to do that. So watch this video, I will teach you, and I will show you some advanced settings as well. So first of all, go to your status tab and you will see two options. One is camera and second is pencil icon, which is give you writing access. Okay, so first of all, just click on camera button. Here you can click your picture as selfie. You can directly set as a status. Now scroll up and you can set from your gallery as well. You can set images, you can set videos very easily with that camera icon. Okay, so the now next step is to pencil icon. It is help you to write anything, messages or good morning, good night, whatever you want to write. You can write here text and you can use this as well. Just you can tap on this T button and you can change fonts as well. Now it is emoji icon. You can add emojis whatever you want. You can change background colors. After that you can save the changes using green button. Okay, so with that green button you can set your status. So one more thing, I am going to tell you how you can show status to the particular person. If you want to share your status with a particular person, you can go to settings, account and privacy. Then here you will see status. So here you will get three options which you can use it. First is my contacts. It means your status only seen by your contacts. Second is my contacts accept. So with this option you can select which contact you don't want to share your status. And third option is select your contact, which contact can actually see your status. So with these three methods you can easily set particular status viewers on your WhatsApp status. So with that method you can easily set status and you can show your status with particular members or particular family groups as well. So you can hide that and you can show that. So with that method you can easily set your status. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching guys.